If you lost your snap streaks with somebody on Snapchat and you want to get them back, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. Now first, of course, we go ahead and open the Snapchat app and then tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen. From here, go to settings by tapping on this gear icon in the top right corner. And now from here, all you need to do is to scroll down all near to the bottom. Right here you can find this I lost my streaks button, but it's not helpful. We need to go to I need help right here, right under it. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then when you tap on contact us in the bottom right here, it will take you to this screen. You can tap on these choices, choose I lost my snap streak, and then right under it another list, tap on how do I restore my snap streak. As you can read with me here, guys, you cannot do that by contacting the support team anymore. It is written in the note right under it. So to get this snap streaks back, you need to go to that conversation that you have lost the snap streaks with, tap on this icon right next to it, and then tap here in the bottom. The first time you get the snap streaks back for free, but the following times you have to pay. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.